Kickserv is often easier for new users to learn because its interface focuses on the core tasks most field service businesses perform every day. RazorSync also covers those tasks, but many users spend more time exploring its broader set of operational features before they become comfortable with the platform. By the end of this video, you'll know which software has the shorter learning curve, what affects onboarding time, and how to choose the right platform for your business in 2026. Here's the direct answer. If your goal is getting office staff and technicians productive as quickly as possible, Kickserv is often the simpler starting point. If your business needs additional operational tools and you're willing to invest more time in setup and training, RazorSync may provide greater long-term value. Let's look at what you'll actually learn first. With Kickserv, most new users begin by adding customers, creating jobs, assigning technicians, building estimates, sending invoices, and checking the daily schedule. Those are the tasks employees repeat throughout the workday, so the learning process follows a straightforward workflow. That makes it easier for a small team to start using the software without changing every part of the business at once. RazorSync includes many of those same functions. You can manage customers, dispatch technicians, schedule appointments, create estimates, send invoices, and communicate with field staff. Depending on how your company plans to use the platform, you may also spend time configuring workflows, permissions, and additional business settings during implementation. The mistake many business owners make is assuming that easy to learn means better. That's not always true. A platform with more configuration options can take longer to master because it supports more complex business processes. If your company actually needs those capabilities, the extra learning time may be worthwhile. Take Alex as an example. He owns a plumbing company with 4 technicians and 1 office administrator. His team needs to schedule service calls, send invoices, and track customer history. Kickserv allows everyone to focus on those daily tasks without spending weeks learning advanced features they may never use. Now consider John. He manages a growing HVAC company with multiple office employees and plans to expand over the next few years. He's willing to spend additional time training the team because he wants software that can support more detailed operational workflows as the business grows. In that situation, RazorSync may be the better long-term fit. Before choosing either platform, ask for a product demonstration or trial. Have one office employee create a customer, schedule a job, dispatch a technician, and send an invoice. That simple test will tell you far more than reading a feature list. The key takeaway is straightforward. Kickserv is often easier to learn for small service businesses that want a simple day-to-day workflow. RazorSync may require more onboarding, but can be a strong choice for businesses planning to use a wider range of management features. Choose the software your team can use confidently every day. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other field service software comparisons.